Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use the Netflix intro templates for vlog on CapCut. So to start, you need to find the template first. So after you open the CapCut app, just go to the template tab and then click on a search column and then just type in the keyword Netflix template. Click on the keyword that you find, and then here you'll see lots of Netflix template for your vlog that you can use. Here you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. Okay, for example, I want to use this one, just this. It's only need one clip. I'm going to use this one. Click on preview. After that, then you'll have that Netflix intro for your vlog. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.